All right, guys, I'm excited for this next break. This is going to be our first break of Leaf Treasury Memorabilia. So this is 2019. This is kind of like the big box that we do with Hit Parade, but this is Leaf's version. So there's 5 memorabilia items per box, and you've got same deal, a mix of anywhere from helmets to baseballs to entertainment memorabilia. So a ton of big names that you can find in here. So I've only got one we're doing tonight. I've ordered another one. We'll do that one next weekend. So this one filled up pretty quick, and I wish I'd have done 2 tonight. But so we got Doug with 5 spots in this. Ryan C's got 1. Rick M with 3, and then Donnie picked up the last spot for us. So it's a random last name letter break. Got 10 total spots, 20 letters that we're using. So let's go ahead and randomize the letters. All right, let's mix this up 5 times. Cameron, I don't do a ton of hockey stuff. Actually, hardly any. We have pulled some hockey stuff like in the big boxes, but that's typically the only time I'll pull any hockey stuff. I haven't really done any hockey specific breaks. All right, let's go ahead and mix this up 5 times as well. All right, here we go. So Donnie, you've got S and P last names. Doug, you've got H, R, C, E, M, N, G, A, T, and J. Rick, you've got F, W, B, V, K, and D. And then Ryan, you've got Y and L. And Y has not been a throwaway name or letter over the last couple weeks. We pulled Christian Yelich. We pulled a Yastrzemski auto last weekend. So Ryan, hopefully we can keep the trend going, man. All right, so there is your list of letters. And here's your box. All right, so here's your box. It actually got shipped like this, and I don't know if there's an inside box into this or not, but I didn't open it up, just in case the memorabilia items were just sitting there. So it's all taped up. Looks to be in pretty good shape. All right, here we go, fellas. Good luck. Nope, there's another box. All right, keep that in mind for next week. All right. All right. All right, first item out of here, nice one. How about a Terry Bradshaw autographed mini helmet? So last name B, that's going to be going to Rick. It is Leaf authenticated. So sticker on the back, there is the card down in the helmet. So Rick's on the board. Next we got another B. This time we got Lonzo Ball. It is a custom jersey, custom Lakers jersey. So not worth nearly as much as what it was maybe 2 years ago. But Beckett and Leaf authenticated. All right, next we're staying with basketball. I got a Kevin McHale jersey. That one's coming to Doug. Beckett authenticated. Oh, dude, this next one's cool. We've got a Joe Frazier. Look at this picture, man, knocking down Ali. That's pretty nasty. Last name F on that is going to be Rick again. It's PSA DNA certified. There's the sticker. There's the card on the back. Dude, that's a sweet picture. That's awesome there. And then this last one, we're going to go entertainment here. You are a Avengers guy. How about a Jeremy Renner? Last name R on that is going to be going to Doug. Pretty cool looking. Beckett certified. All right, and that'll do it for the Leaf box. So pretty good, man. I don't know what some of these 16 by 20s go for. Some pretty nice items coming out of here. So we'll get those items in the mail to you guys tomorrow. And like I said, we'll do another of these coming up next weekend. So it'll fill pretty fast based on this weekend. So if you want to get in on that, Todd at tennskinbreaks.com, and we'll do that next Sunday night.